So we'll start building our templates, our one-page website. First, I'm going to add the template. I'm going to click on Add Template. Then you see this arrow which says Import Templates, and click on it. So I have my template download here, or I can select a file. So I'm going to select a file. Let me see it. Okay, so here it is. I'll click on Open. Here I have the template. Then I'll click on Insert. I'll say yes. I will wait for it to complete loading. Okay, so my template has complete loading. Okay, I'll wait for it. Please always remember to click on updates anytime you make some changes. Always click on updates anytime you make changes. Okay, so right now we have our templates here. Okay, so few things are not showing up. So I have some okay. So you have some icons here that are not showing up. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to refresh this page. Always ensure you click update before you refresh. I'll wait for this to complete loading. Okay, so this, I wasn't seeing all this before. That's why I had to refresh. So in case it happens to you like that, please click update and refresh so that you can have some of the icons show up. So right now we have our website, our templates already in here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to start adding some of the things we need to add. First, I'm going to start from this first section, which is the hero section. So I have a background here that has an image. I'm going to click on it. So this is a section. I'm going to click on the section. Then I'm going to click on style to add the background. So here's the background. I'm going to click on the background. So I have a picture here that I want to use. I created this picture in Canva. So I'm going to insert media. Okay. So right now, it's okay like this, but the white is overshadowing the white text right here that we have. So I'm going to add an overlay. So just not so much. At least I can see the picture and I can also see the text at the same time. So not too much. Okay. So I can see the text and I can still see the picture at least. So we have a text here that is not showing well. So we can change the color. So right now, all I'm going to do is to fill in the content that is here. So the first content I'm going to fill in is add your name. So what is your name? My name is the Hackadan. So actually the name you use for your business. So for this is a personal brand website. So the Hackadan. as my name, and then I'm going to use my color. So I want to get my color code. Just forgot. Okay. So I want to get my color code. 6B21B. So I want to add my color code to the page. So if you want to add your color code, click here, click on the color, then come to this place, add your color code, F6B21B, F6B21B. So that's it. I hope I didn't miss anything. F6B21B. Okay, 621. So once I have my color code, I can click on this mark, this plus button, to add it permanently to Elementor. Let me give it my main color, and I create. So next time I'm on any other page, I can always click this global button, and then I can find my color. So once I'm done with my name, and I'm going to add your job title, like what you do, what people know you as, what is the name of the work you do. So for me, it is business system and sales funnel strategy. So what is the name of the thing you do? The thing you offer, the job you offer, what is the name? So for me, it is business system. I will say business model. Let's give it a name. And sales funnel strategies. Okay, business system and sales funnel strategies. So right here, so this will be like the next content here will be like it's like a further explanation of what you do. So like say I help online business owners to build and create and launch their sales funnel. I help online business to create and launch their sales funnel. So I say I help dash to do dash so that dash. So I help online business to create their sales funnel, to create and launch their sales funnel so that to make more money. So this is like a way of explaining in detail, in a short form, in detail, what you actually do for people. Means like it's contain who you are doing it for, what you do for them, and the results you are getting. So I help who are you doing it for, to do what are you doing for them, so that what result are you going to help them to get. So this is just a short form to really I call it a 5 minutes, not 5 minutes, like 5 second pitch of what you do. So I help to create and launch your sales funnel. To increase to make more impact and income. So I'm going to add color to this. I'm going to wait for it to show up. I'll click updates. Okay, so while I wait for that to complete, so I have the next stage here, which is get your free in bracket lead magnet. So at first you need to have a free lead magnet that you will be giving your anyone that comes to your page. It is very, very crucial so that you can easily at the first that comes to your website and they're seeing this and you have a free lead magnet to give them, they are going to opt in. And then once you have their email, you can continue to communicate with them on the things that you want to sell to them. Not just that they come to your website and then they won't have any, you won't have anything to give them. They'll just scroll up and scroll down and then they go back. No, this time around, give them something tangible, something that is very, at least of good value, that they can want, that they will really want to put in their emails address to get. So for me, I'm saying give them a free, give you get your free bracket lead magnet. So get your free so I'm giving them a free lead magnet checklist or free sales funnel checklist. So I'm giving a free sales funnel checklist, and then if any of my customers sees this, they'll want to get a sales funnel checklist so that they can, increase their impact and their income through sales funnel. And here I have a button so that I can send them to. So later we'll come back to this where we are done with our automation and with our email email marketing or email sequence. So once we're done with that, we'll add the link to this place. But for now, get your free check. So sometimes it can be checklist, sometimes it can be ebook, sometimes it can be watch a video. So you can always change that at this place. You can always change, just click here and change it. So you can always change that at this place. And then you can, let's change, I want to change the each time I want it to change color to my, so I'm going to change this to, okay, so I prefer this, okay, or let me give it white at this place, and then on the normal I give it my color, okay. So that is done, and then I can click on updates. So I'd like to refresh so that Sometimes these things happen, but in case you're not seeing some of those changes, you click on updates and then refresh. So you will see them in full. Okay. So this, did I change this one? Okay, I did not. So I'm going to change it to this. Okay. Now, why if, okay, so I have my name, I have my job title, and then I have my mini 5 minutes explanation subheading. Then I have my free lead magnets right here. So this part is complete. So we're going to move to the next part. This part is how does it work? We'll just go through this first step. So you can change this if you want to. You can just click on it. So this part is just for you to show the steps you will take your customer to achieve the results you want to help them to achieve. So for me, I believe that you should have at least 4 steps you can take and your customers to. You can have more than that, but just make sure it at least 4 steps you can take them through to help them achieve their goals. So and you can just explain each of the steps right here. So I have mine already. So either I just come here and copy, then paste. Just come here and copy and paste. So I have it already. So all I need to do is to click one of these and then copy. So have them um, somewhere on your system that you can copy and paste, maybe in a Google Doc, and then you can just copy and paste. Copy this one, copy. Yes. You can also change the icon. To change the icon, just click on the icon and then click on this place to show you other icons that you can use to represent each of your steps. So let me complete this. Copy. You can check through the things I have here just to give you a good idea of how to write yours. So this is just like a four-step process I would take any of my clients through to help them build a sales funnel that can convert, a highly convert sales funnel. And add this. Once I'm done, I click on update so that I won't lose that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to adjust the color of my icon. So I'm going to click on style. I'm going to click on this global color and make it my main color. So click on this as well. Click on style. Click on global color. Make this my main color. And I'll click on this. I'll click on style. So you can change the icon if you want to change the icon, and you can add your own color. And there I have it. And if you want to change your background, you can always change your background by clicking this. Come here. Let me add this to my background. Yes. We have this. There are different colors. I use gradient there. Okay, so I want to change the main color. to, okay, so this look very bright. This look bright. So okay, this look too bright. I don't like it. So just to show you an option that you can change it. So I think I really don't like that, and then I will have to adjust back now. So if you click on the history right here, you can always go back. You can always go back to your main color or to your previous steps just by clicking history right here. It's okay. I'll stay with this. So I just show you that, showed you that so that you can know that you can change your main color and your background color. So I'm going to move over to my services. So over here I have, okay, one other thing that I'm missing out is I need to change the color of this place. Okay, yeah. Change the color of this guy. Okay, let's look okay. So I have this. I'm changing the color. So I have my service. So here I can add my services and add my pictures and add some little content over here. So I'm gonna go back to my Canva. I have my pictures that I created here. Okay, yeah, I have one of them. Okay, so I'll download each one per time. This is 53. So download 54. 54, then I'll download 56 as well. This is 56, so these are the table. Okay, so I have the 3 images. All I need to do is to click on this place, click here, and I can just drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop, and I have them. Okay, so I'll start with this e-commerce. I'll start with this. Okay, so also always ensure they are in a square in a square size. Like this is what is this is 1080 by 1080 pixel. So always ensure that in a square size, it makes everything look the same. If one is in rectangle and one is in square, it won't look really good. So always ensure that they are in a square size. Okay, so just gonna borrow some of my content from this place. So how to read master lead magnet, copy. Now click on this aspect here, and also just so just do a little Canva design, nothing too much for your services. And sometimes if you don't want to use a picture like this, you can use icons to describe your services. Copy. Okay. So the other thing I'm going to do is to change the color of my icon. So okay, here I have it. So this place we go to Calendly to book a section. Later on, I'm going to show you how to create a Calendly account and how you can add the link to this place. So the only thing I want to do here is I'm going to show you you can change the text right here to book a section right here. I want to change the overlay or the background color. Okay, so I like it this way. So this part looks good so far from the top to this place. So I'm going to stop this video. I'll continue the next video so that this won't look too long. Always ensure you updates. Please always ensure you updates. Let me wait for this to update. Okay, I'll do that again. Okay, so this is updates. So I'll go stop this video and then we'll continue the next video.